Okay, you can hear me clearly.
Yes, yes.
A good one. So good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Thank you, Duncan, for taking us through the website agent and showing us what the capabilities AI can do in matters of marketing and specifically the website. So my name is Robert. I'll be taking you through Google Shopping Ads, an introduction to Google Ads, and to be specific, I'll be doing Google Shopping Ads. So I'll be sharing my screen because it's more simpler to, 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 to show you what is Google Shopping Ads with a demonstration. So I'll be sharing my screen so that I can teach you step by step of what is Google Ads and what is Google Shopping Ads. So in a minute, entire screen. So I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, yes.
Nice one. So Google Shopping Ads, I'll start by introducing Google Ads. Basically, it's the art of advertising your products or services on Google platforms and their search partners. So I will take an example of any product that can be found on Google. Let's say I want to buy a phone, and let's say iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if I do a search on my top right, you can see we have several products here which are sponsored. So this is what we call Google Shopping Ads, and they only appear at the top of Google search, and they don't appear in Google search partners. So basically, isn't ndio tunaita Google Shopping Ads, and for you to run these ads, you must have one, a website, two, a Google Ads account, and three, you must have Google Merchant Center. And where do you get all this? So at my top right, you can see here, you can see Google Apps. So you'll find all of them here. So this is Google Ads. When you scroll, you'll see you have Merchant Center here. We have Google Ads here. So you will need Google Ads account and a Merchant Center. Now, what's a Merchant Center? So Merchant Center is where you place your products from your website or from your catalog. Let's say you're selling electronics, you're selling clothes, you're selling perfumes, beauty products. In Merchant Center, this is where we call it Google Shopping. That's where you upload your products. So that's now from Google Merchant, you can link now to Google Ads and advertise on Google. Now that's the whole essence of having a Merchant Center. So for you to run Google Ads, one, you'll have a Merchant Center. So I'll proceed to Merchant Center and how you create it. So you just click Merchant Center. So I already have one. I've created one, which happens to be a dummy or a sample of what Google Merchant can do. So if you don't have one, you just open Google Merchant Center. It will ask you to input your website, your shop, your store, and proceed. So for me, I already have one. So basically, this is now Google Merchant Center. So you will feed in your details, your business details here. All right, you'll claim your domain. So foremost, you must have a website. That is it. And then you claim it there. It gets verified, and then you will add your products, data sources. So you can add your products from various sources. Let's say you have a WordPress website, Shopify website, you have your own You have your own customized website, so you can add a product source from anywhere, WooCommerce. You can add from an XML file, Google Sheets, or using an API. So basically, that's Merchant Center. It connects your website with Google. So when it appears there, I'll get back now to getting our iPhone again. So iPhone 17. So when you come to images, you will see you have our products here. But when you check these images, there are images with a certain specific. Let's get the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay. So when you come to images, you will see there is this product with this sign here. Let's scroll again. You will see another one here with this sign. So you will see another one with the same sign. Yeah, here it is, this sign. That means they're already utilizing Google Merchant Center. You can see it's the same icon on the top left. No, so basically that's connecting your website with Google Merchant Center. Now from here, you must have an ads account. So where you create an ads account, the same place on the top right. So you create a Google Ads account. So scroll down. Exit. So there it is. So Google Ads. So I already have a Google Ads account. So basically, what Google Ads will require from you will be basically your payment, your billing. So you must have an ATM card or rather something that you can fund your Google Ads with. And these are basically you start. Here is one. So, and if you don't have one, you can just create one. It's basically just like opening Facebook and then you're good to go. So inside the Google Ads account, you will link now this Merchant Center with the ads account here. This one here. So you'll have to link now your Merchant Center with your Google Ads account. So the Google Ads account will fetch your products, your physical products from the Merchant Center to the Google Ads account. So let's see. So when you come here, you'll come here to tools, data manager, connected products, and now you can connect your Merchant Center. So I have connected mine. So you just click here, connect products, and definitely you will add whichever product you need to connect. You can connect Google Analytics, you can connect YouTube, Search Console, Google Play, Google My Business, but I'm not interested in those. So I already connected my Merchant Center. Now, when it comes to Google Ads, inside this dashboard, there is a lot of things that are happening. But for today's, I will focus on Google Shopping Ads. There are various forms of ads. I will take you very quick. So you will create your first campaign. Now you want to advertise your service, you want to advertise your products, your business to people who are actively searching for your products. So what will you do? So just create campaign. So when you click create campaign, it will open a new window. It will give you sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness consideration, local store visits and promotion. This is mostly for people with GMC, Google My Business, GMB, Google My Business, or create a campaign without guidance. So this is for people who are entirely new in Google Ads. So for our case, we want to run Google Shopping Ads just like I had shown you on at the beginning. So that's basically sales. So on the sales, you'll have to set up something called conversion goal. So you must tell Google, I'm optimizing for sales on my website, and this is how I measure my sales. Maybe you measure your sales by the number of people who are placing orders, checking out, or adding to cart. So you will put all those actions in these conversion goals, and then you continue. Now you have to select the campaign type. Uh, this is it. So there is the performance max campaign. So real quick, performance campaign is basically a combination of shopping ad, demand generation, search ad, video ad, and display ad. Shopping ad ni yenye nimeonyesha hapa. Let's say you want now our iPhone 17 Pro Max and you're searching it. Now this one is the shopping ad. We get back to our campaign. You have demand generation. These are ads that you see on your YouTube, or not YouTube. You get them on YouTube and Google Display Network, such as Google Drive, Gmail. Such ads ni kama hizi. I hope we get one. Let's say SBT Japan is one that I know. Yes, this one is a search ad. So I just searched SBT Japan, and you found out we have a search ad. This is sponsored results. And when you scroll, you'll see these are sponsored and this is not sponsored. So when you scroll further, you'll get other sponsored results. Here is it. So this is a search ad. Back to our campaign. Video ad, even ads, YouTube ads, and display ads. These are basically gifts that you see. Maybe mostly they are used by the banking sector and the betting sites. They come in form of videos, images, and GIFs. So for today, we are interested in shopping ads. So I'll click my shopping ads there, and now I'll select an account. So I have this one, Robitronics. So this Robitronics is associated with this website here. So here is the website. So basically, I've connected this website with so it's sourcing these products from this website to this merchant center, and then Google Ads fetch the products from this merchant center now to here. Here it is. You can see this is 355 and national 317, which happens to be this one here. So we get back. So let's start our campaign. So I'll give it what? I'll give it a campaign name by shopping ad 0026. So, and then continue, give it a campaign name. So I'll set from there, I'll set yeah. So at this point now, you set an average budget. So let's say for your business, you can afford at least, let's say $10, $20, $30, depends with your capability and the size of your business. And for this case, for most typical business or the SME, a good budget, it's basically, let's say $30. So I'll add a budget of $30 per day, and then I'll bid. So here is it. So bidding depends with your business still, and the amount of profit margins you can get. So you can get the automated bids, then that is the target on return on ad spend, or you can maximize clicks or manual CPC. But for beginners, you can use manual maximize clicks. So you don't have to set the CPC. So CPC means cost per click. So you can set the cost per click for every click that you get from Google. So let's go with the manual CPC. So next. So this is Kenya. So this is policy issues. No, this campaign does not have. Yeah, sure. And at that point, click next. Add group one. So here is now where you set the bid. So bidding inamaanisha hivi. So when I come and search something like iPhone 17 Pro Max and I don't get the shopping ads, let's come to this side. So whoever appears at this, you can see on my top left, whoever appears here pays more than whoever will appear at the farthest end here. So let's say this person is paying at least in Kenyan shillings 100 bob or 80 bob for every click. You will get this one who gets this side is paying, let's say 30 bob for every click. That's where one appear the farthest end. So basically it's bidding. So hapa ndo utakuja ubid. Let's say we bid 0.0 what 04. Let's say we bid 0.04. We proceed. So our campaign is ready to publish. So basically I'll just publish. And that's all about shopping ads. So my ads will start appearing on Google shopping ads, and this basically what shopping ads entails.